this mountain, I think, to get back into the bedding area just as fast as he can, because there's just way too much daylight out. And he's trotting down, and we're watching him, ba-da-doom. He's not paying attention to nothing. He's coming down the mountain and he's angling. Well, I'm turn around and I tell Jason, get on the deer. The camera's on me. And I'm watching the buck, and it's the 7-point we saw. So I'm telling Jason, get on the deer, get on the deer. Well, Jason can only hear. He's not about to jerk that camera around. So here comes the deer, crosses the road in front of us and starts running down. I start giving, I wish I had a Bowgunner Plus with me, because I start giving the most awful mats and bats as you can imagine to try to stop this deer. You know, you're not gonna shoot at a deer like that with a bow. You shouldn't shoot at a deer like that with a gun. And sure enough, I'm telling Jason, turn the camera. Matt, the deer stops. Jason jerks the camera around, and there's the buck. He stopped. We actually have a shooting lane. I'm at full draw. I cannot believe what's happening.